Namaskara. Today we are here for the grand opening of our Sleepyhead Marathalli store. This day marks as a landmark day in the history of Sleepyhead. Today, in a single day, we are launching 4 stores in Bangalore. We started Sleepyhead stores in Bangalore about a year back. The immense acceptance and the immense response that we got from our consumers, which are primarily the Gen Z consumers, which earlier we were getting through our online portals, has been heartwarming. It gives us lot of confidence, lot of courage, lot of strength to expand this brand, make it viable for the consumers, make it available for the consumers at large in various parts of Bangalore as well as other parts of the country. Start, sir.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Really happy to welcome you all to our 7th Sleepyhead store opening in Bangalore. I'm speaking from Marathalli. Sleepyhead has got some of the best collection of recliners, sofas, sofa cum bed, and outstanding best-in-class mattresses available at awesome prices. The brand, which is actually made for the Gen Z and the millennials, I think if there is any destination where you guys want to shop, Sleepyhead stores across Bangalore is the one. And what you have coming over the weekend is a flat 50% inaugural offer. So whether it's sofas, recliners, mattresses, bed covers, cushions, duvets, whatever you need, Sleepyhead is the destination to be in. So this weekend, which is 26th and 27th, flat 50% off, limited edition. Please come down to a Sleepyhead store and shop. Last, first 100 shoppers get a mattress free. So waiting for all of you to come down to Sleepyhead this weekend. The 100 mattresses free. Here is the process. Open Instagram, go to the handle My Sleepyhead HQ. In the bio, there is a form to register. So if you are new to Bangalore, you got your first job in Bangalore, the first 100 people who apply for this get the mattress free. All you have to do is just give us a picture of your joining letter and your ID card, register, and you might just get a free mattress from Sleepyhead. All the best.